In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean and maintain your Corian countertops. This is a very popular solid surface material and is a cheaper alternative than a natural stone countertop like quartz, granite, etc. Corian comes in lots of different finishes ranging from matte to high gloss. They're very durable, easy to clean, and my favorite thing about them is they are non-porous, so you don't have to keep them sealed all the time. So they're low maintenance, making your life a whole lot less complicated. Here's how to clean them. You will need a mild dish soap and a cleaning cloth. I prefer microfiber, but any washcloth will do. You're going to clean them with warm, soapy water, so dampen your cloth, add some dish soap to it, and wipe down those countertops, easily removing any of that grease and grime. An alternative way to clean them is to make your own DIY kitchen cleaning spray if you do prefer. Just fill up a spray bottle with water and add you a few drops of dish soap to it. Shake it up, spray your counters, and then wipe them off with your cloth. Or you can just buy a store-bought all-purpose cleaner if you prefer, like a 409 or a Method all-purpose cleaner. Those work well also. If you encounter any stains along the way on the Corian, you would want to use an ammonia-based cleaner to remove them. Easiest thing to do is just to mix some straight ammonia and water in a spray bottle. Just start with a 10-to-1 ratio for your mixture, and then what you do is you spray the cleaner on the stain and just let it sit for 2 minutes and wipe it up. And that should remove any stains you encounter. Lastly, if someone has been sick in the home and you need to disinfect your counters, you can do that last after they've been cleaned by using a disinfectant wipe. Just wipe them down and make sure that the counters stay visibly wet with that disinfecting solution for the amount of time written on the bottle. For these wipes, it's 4 minutes. And that is how to clean and maintain your Corian solid surface countertops. If you're wondering how to remove hard water stains from chrome water taps and fixtures, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.